Welcome my people. This na Abuja Toktok, the latest pidgin news show where we say they give una inside gist of wetin dey happen for Abuja and across the world. And now again, I don't come with better story for una where we say they happen for this December period. Some people do early December, some people do bele December. So I don't know the one way you do, but anyhow, I don't come again with another gist. I'm going to look into the likes of politics, economics, entertainment, and many others. You know how to tell do one for just carry your seat, sit down, make we enter the story proper. And the first segment we're going to look into today now, politics. And under this politics, the family of Nyesom Wike don't go celebrate their pikin, Jordan Wike, we be say just bag another certificate for Masters of Law degree for the School of Queen Mary University for London. All the family just they jubilate, they celebrate this win where they don't get. Anyway, congratulations, Jordan Wike. And the next segment na economic news. And under this economic news, so NAFDAC don't close one Chinese supermarket for Abuja, and they say the reason now because they did sell goods in Chinese language label. I don't know why they do like that, but again, they don't stop them because they bring risks to public health. And NAFDAC don't also want all business owners say make them better stop am and make it better take proper law. If not, the second story under this segment now say transport fare don't increase again for Abuja this new year we will just enter. Passengers don't they complain say they don't increase transport fare with 30% again, and all the drivers don't they tell them say no be their fault, na high cost and maintenance, and for anyway no even day, so they no get how they want to do am now. Why did they manage them like that? So I beg, make una no vex. Now only God wey dey this heaven go help us for this country. The next segment na entertainment news, and for this entertainment news, so now Portable they hail Burna Boy for social media beef. I just tired for this music industry will get to. And I remember this adage where they talk say a friend of your enemy now your wetin enemy. So as it be so, Portable and Davido been they close one kind before you know one thing happen they can't separate. Burna Boy just there now, you know the way they throw shade at yourself. Burna Boy can't they throw shade give Davido. Now Portable pick him up, they support Burna Boy, they tell and say only one and number one for this industry and nobody fit take in place. Now the matter where they happen for social media be that now. And the next segment is security alert. Again, one bomb explosion will happen for Islamia School for Buhari on the 6th of January 2025. And I hear say the two people been they couple the bomb then die, and other two they can't injure. Now police don't go arrest the owner of the school for investigation. And I dey wonder why, because now the owner of school go bomb in school. Anyway, Shana, God go help us for this country. And the next segment are events and conference. Under this story for events and conference, the Abuja International Education Fair go shelle on the 29th January 2025 for Transcorp Hilton Hotel. And this event go connect students with universities abroad, and they go also give them chance and opportunity to learn about scholarship for there. So no miss this opportunity for anything. And the second story under the events and conference, we say the UN Women Office don't host big conference for Abuja, and they go to yarn about gender equality and wetin women fit do to enter governance. This one's sweet away. Anyways, the event go run from 10 to 12 January 2025. Try make you no miss and make you go collect power. Power is needed. And the next segment are weather reports. Now me don't talk say Harmattan don't full ground anyhow. I wonder whether snow even a phone during the Harmattan. Say me don't even tire. But anyway, they say make everybody protect their skin and nose from all these dust where they fly up and down. And most especially asthma patients, need they take care of themselves this period because the Harmattan strong die. And the last segment now sports updates. Nigeria athletes they don't already they train themselves for the upcoming sports festival where they happen for May 25. And this time around they don't they ginger themselves well because they won't collect all the medals we did for this country. So what we go do be say we go try support our own so that they no go fall our hand though. So my people, now all the gist I get for una today for this Abuja Talk. Make una remember say by next week again I go come with better story where be say don't happen. I still remain una favorite host Adabike. I go see una next time. Una bye bye.
Vibes and Cruise.